Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing essentials and taking the first actionable steps now. Open the app and choose Sign Up. Enter your email or phone and a strong password so your account is secure. Once done, enable two-factor authentication to protect transactions. Next, connect one primary bank account or card so the app can import past activity. This saves time and gives immediate insights. Don't skip permissions. Grant read-only access so the app can categorize spending without moving money. You now set budgets and refine categories to make the app actionable. Create monthly limits for 3 to 6 core categories like groceries, rent, and transport so totals stay meaningful. Once done, customize category rules. Tell the app to treat certain merchants as groceries or subscriptions to reduce misclassification. Make sure to set alerts for when a category reaches 80% for unusually large transactions, or if your linked account hits a low balance. These keep you proactive instead of reactive. You finish by tracking and adjusting so the system stays accurate. Check weekly summary cards and reconcile any mismatched receipts or split transactions. This trains the categorizer and improves forecasts. After one billing cycle, adjust budgets or category rules to reflect real behavior and enable auto-savings or rounding features to build reserves without thinking. If something goes wrong, resync accounts, clear cache, or relink the card. If persistent, contact support and provide a screenshot and account ID for faster help.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.